And we're back again, guys. So right now we'll be doing another unboxing video. So this is something new because we'll be unboxing a wearable. So, hindi lang siya smartwatch but it can also be your health monitoring device to keep you fit and healthy para ma-monitor mo yung health mo. For me na yung magagamit ko is nandun na lahat sa SE. So kaya I just prefer SE para na rin maka-save ng konti. So this is just the basic unboxing and let's get to it. Alright, so we have a bag from Digital Village. Actually siya lang yung laman nito. Tada! So actually guys, this is the Apple SE Nike edition. So this is the collaboration between Apple and Nike. So let's get it on. Okay, so ang price pala nito is $17,990. So you can get this to any Apple store or Digital Village, but actually I got it from Digital Village na kasi wala na daw SE yung Apple store. Fortunately, I was able to get one sa Digital Village. And this is it. Okay. I'm so excited. Alright, so first time kong unbox ng Apple Watch. Alright, so may ganito pala. Yan. So arrow. So let's get it on. Oh, pang ASMR. Alright. So, before we proceed, let's take a look at the box. So, logo dyan. Tapos sa sides, wala. Tapos, at the back, yan. So, makikita nyo yung specs. Yung specs nandyan. So, we have the Apple SE. Apple Watch SE. Space Gray. Aluminum case. Anthracite black Nike Sport Band. Yung band niya. Yung strap is anthracite black. And we got the 44mm variation. So, meron pang isa nito, yung mas maliit, which is the 40mm. Okay. Then, other than that, we have the blah, 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 blah. Okay. So, yung pag-unbox pala nito, pa ganun. So, just gonna lay this on the table. This is it. So as you can see, yung box niya talagang premium looking. Maganda hawakan. So yan yung box. Tapos nandito yung watch mismo. So lagyan mo natin dyan. Tapos may smaller box. Doon yung mga instructions. Tapos mga watch face. Tapos ito yung charger, parang iPad. So ito yung charger niya, guys. And yun lang yung laman ng box na to. Tapos itong isa alright, so nandito, tingnan mo. Tingnan natin. So oops. Maraming laman. Ay, dito pala. May tab pala na pwede nating i-pull. So ignorant. Alright. So, ang daming laman, guys. So, yung nalagay muna natin dito. So, kung ano nakalagay kasi iba yung language. Yan, may logo na naman. Apple Watch to Nike. Oops. So, nandito yung strap niya, guys. So, ang galing. Dalawa yung strap niya. So, may size. So, dalawa yung strap nung sa kabilang side. Medium large. Kung size mo, medium large. Tsaka isa small. So, kinukuha. Yan. Ito isa. Alright. So, yung strap niya guys, ang ganda. Ang ganda sa pakiramdam. Tsaka, again, may Nike. Apple Watch tsaka Nike logo. Ito na. So, yun na yung laman guys. Yan, tsaka ito. Tsaka mga documents. Alright, so yun yung laman ng box guys. So, ito na. We're just gonna open this up. Yung watch mismo. Oh. So, yun yung guys. So, ito yung 44mm. Tapos, ito yung strap niya. So, slide lang to. Yan, slide. Tama ba to? Slide. Yan. Sa ganito. Again, pag may snap, na sakto na siya sa place niya. Oh, yun. Yan, guys. So, again, this is the 44mm. So, for comparison purposes, ito yung Huawei GT 2E na watch ko. So, for compare lang, yung dalawa. Yan. So actually, same lang sila nung strap. 44mm din to eh. 42, 44mm. So, yun yung size comparison as you can see sa video. Yan. So, I'm gonna show you how it looks like sa wrist. So again, this is how it looks like. So, medyo challenging ang paglagay niya. So, ganyan lang. And, select mo lang kung saan yung hole. Yan. So, dito na siya sa wrist ko. So, this is how it looks like sa wrist. Okay? So, I'm going to connect this phone ko and I'll try to set up the settings. So, again, this is just the basic unboxing of the Apple Watch. So, hope you like it. And it's up to you to choose kung sa Series 6 kayo or sa SE. So, more or less the same lang yung size nila. 42mm tsaka, 40mm tsaka 44mm. So, may mga features yung Series 6 na wala sa SE. And shoutout pala sa mga nagpapa-shoutout. So, hope you like this video, and if you want to know more and see my upcoming videos, please click subscribe and hit the like button. Hope to see you on my next video. Babush. Mark Max out. Bye-bye.